Universal Studios in Orlando just opened a brand new theme park and 3 new hotels to go along with it. Today we're checking out Stella Nova Resort, and let me tell you, it's out of this world. It has a space theme design, is walking distance to Epic Universe, and is way more affordable than you may think. Let's take a look inside. The lobby has a clean, sleek, modern design with plenty of seating and the open concept layout. It really makes check-in a breeze. If you need help with park tickets, dining reservations, or planning your day at Universal, there is a vacation planning desk in the lobby right across from check-in. And for another added convenience, there is an Avis car rental desk right on site. If you arrive before your room is ready, luggage services will hold your bags for you while you go explore the resort or theme park. They'll hold your bags on checkout day too. While you wait for your room to be ready, you can check out the Universal Studios store, which is a great place to check out all the merchandise for all the different lands inside Epic Universe. This is a great time to purchase those power-up bands to use at Super Nintendo World and get them linked to your app before you go to the parks. The lobby isn't just a place to check in. It's also a social and culinary hub. When the sun goes down, the lobby bar is where things start to glow. Literally. And whether you're powering up for a day at the parks or grabbing a quick bite to eat between pool time and winding down for the evening with a cocktail, Stella Nova Resort has a variety of dining options. First up is the market for grab-and-go options and coffees. Next to that is the cafe. Here you can find actual meals as well as the refillable resort mugs that do only work at the hotels, not in the theme parks, but still helpful to have nonetheless. This dining space has so many tables and is a very clean, sleek, modern design. And if these options aren't enough, there's also a pool bar and grill right outside. This pool space is the perfect area to relax in between those long park days, with plenty of seating and entertainment, a splash pad for kids, a hot tub, and like I mentioned before, a bar and grill. Moving back inside, let's go check out one of the rooms here at Stella Nova Resort. We stayed in a pool view room, so our room overlooked this beautiful pool, but there are also standard rooms available for a lower rate. In each of these room types, you'll find 2 queen beds that sleep up to 4 guests. The second I walked in, I loved how spacious, bright, and clean the room was. The room opens right into the bathroom where you have a very bright single vanity, but even though that space is open to the room, the shower and toilet space is separated by a door, so more guests can get ready at the same time in the mornings. There are built-in shampoo and conditioner stations in the shower as well as bath soap, so you don't have to bring your own. In the main bedroom space, you will also find a mini fridge and coffee station, plenty of storage, countertop surface, resources, and most important of all, outlets. Not only will you find a row of outlets on the dresser, you'll also find another set of outlets on the nightstand and all throughout the room, like this plug right next to the couch. Having 4 guests getting ready together in the same space really showed us how functional this room is. In the closet, you'll find hangers, an iron, and a suitcase rack, as well as an in-room safe. The design of the windows really makes you feel like you're inside of a spaceship, and when you look outside, you can see Terra Luna off in the distance, as well as the entire pool space. This really shows you how large the pool here is, and if you're comparing Stella Nova and Terra Luna, which is their sister resort, Stella Nova's pool is bigger. It is also closer to Epic Universe. Even though you can walk to Epic Universe in about 10 minutes, there are shuttles that run back and forth between Epic Universe and all of Universal's other theme parks. If you want to see how stellar this resort really is, day or night, reach out to one of our travel planners today to get started planning your Universal Resorts vacation.